I'm your physics mentor Manoj Kumar here to help you in every aspect in your JEE preparation. So are you all ready? Do you really feel that solving physics numerical is like running a marathon? How many of you feel like that? After watching these hacks which I'll be disclosing, you will be able to solve physics numericals within few seconds and the transformation from the marathon to a sprint. This is what I want. So let's move. The first hack. Let me start with the first hack. The first hack tells us about that you must master the real concept, because physics is not about memorizing the formulas, memorizing the concept which you learn. It's about feeling it and able to transform it into the numericals. So you must first cover all the syllabus and get your basics right. If you face any issues while solving the numericals or while understanding the concepts related to the physics, then please be feel free to ask me. So each and every time whenever you are solving the question, ask yourself that why this formula is using and why we are ignoring the other formulas or other variables. You have to ask this question again and again. I always tell to my student that knowledge is not the power. The ultimate power is the execution. And there are so many students who are very good at the concept, but they are not able to execute that knowledge when solving the numericals. Whenever you are solving the numericals, you must have a plan, and I have uploaded a separate video how to approach the numericals. Please watch that video from the playlist. Okay, so basically, concept clarity is very important if you want to solve questions in a very less time. This is the first hack. I hope that you like this first hack, that the first thing what you have to do is to get your basics right. Let's move towards the second hack. The second hack is for the visualization. As you all know that our body consists of so many neurons, and there is a evolution stages from which we have come to the Homo sapiens. And whenever you see anything new, it happens to your brain that it becomes paralyzed. You might not able to think properly. And if you are also getting stuck whenever you are seeing any difficult question, or I would say a different question, and you feel like you didn't studied it at all, or you are not able to solve it, then you have to do one thing. You have to visualize that question and start writing, because when you start writing, your neurons fires. And I always tell to my student that when the neurons that fires together joins together, it means that when you started writing, your brain started working, and you will get the real approach what you have done before, right? So this is very important, that whenever you are solving the numericals, please visualize it and draw a rough diagram before starting the actual calculation. So this hack will help you to initiate the problem, because initiating is the first difficulty which you have to tackle, right? If you started the question, then the only thing which is left is calculation. We have some hacks for the calculation as well. There are some techniques through which you can improve your calculation. There are practice, right? The only thing which will help you to improve your calculation is the practice, the right practice, I would say. And there are some equations, there are some functions, there are some tables which you have to memorize if you want to improve the calculation. But to initiate, you must visualize the question, that what they are asking and what we have to look for in the question. These are the things what you have to do. So this was the hack number 2. Let's move towards the hack 3. It may happen that when you are solving the question, you forgot the formula, and you are like, what could be the formula? But you remember something, that it comes to the numerator or denominator, you do not know. If you are my student, I always gave mnemonics for that, or a shortcut trick for that, or a trick to remember that formula. But if you are not my student, then also you must know this trick. And if you are my student, then also it is required to know this trick. That if you forgot the formula, please use the dimensional analysis, put that the variables which you are having, and check that is it dimensionally correct or not. If your formula is dimensionally correct, then it might be the formula which you are looking for. And you can use that trick also for checking the options which is giving. The options given, if all the options are in terms of variables, you can use this dimensional analysis. I will show you this when we will be solving the mock papers, that just by seeing the dimensions of all the options what you are having, you will able to get the correct answers out of the options. You just need to check it whether it is dimensionally correct or not. If all the other options are dimensionally incorrect and only one option is dimensionally correct, mark that answer. So this was our third hack. Let's move towards the fourth hack. This hack is very important, and it's it works perfectly, and I would say that it creates the magic, because I have seen a complete transformation of my students from not getting any college to getting into NITs. And this hack is solving the previous year question. And while solving the previous year question is not important for us. The important thing is the pattern and the topic from which the previous year question is asking the question, right? So question is not important for us. You have to, whenever you are solving the previous year question, look for the pattern, look for the topic, look for the variables which they are asking, look for the subtopics, right? And at least you have to solve 5 years previous year question. I have already told you that if you are preparing for JEE 2025, solve JEE 2023 paper, 2024, 2018, 2019, 2020. So these are the 5 years paper that you must have to solve. And if you have time, then go for at least 10 years paper. Because JEE happens in multiple shifts, and you will see that just by solving the previous year question, you will be covering each and every topic multiple times, which is very, very important, because whenever we are telling you that this is the high weightage chapter, this is the high weightage topic, what does it mean? It means that we are analyzing the previous year question and you are getting that done. You are doing the real practice which is required. This will help you, and certainly it will get reflected in your score as well. Let's move towards the fifth hack, and I will give you a bonus hack as well. Video is all about 5 hacks, but I told you that if you stay complete in this video, I'll be giving you the bonus trick as well. So the fifth hack is you have to use this technique whenever you are solving the question paper or the mock paper. So this hack is known as 3-pass technique. You have to attempt your paper in 3 steps, I would say, or 3 stages. In the first stage, you have to attempt only the easy questions. Easy go questions you have to attempt. Does not matter that out of 75 questions, if you are able to solve only 10 or 15, it's okay. In the second go, you have to solve the medium level questions, or the question in which you can directly put the formulas and get the values. And in the third go, I would be telling you to solve the difficult question. And if you have started the question, at least give 1 minute or 1.5 minutes to solve it and get the correct answer. But if you are getting, do not get stuck to that question. If the question is taking more than 2 minutes, leave that question. Do that after solving multiple other questions, I would say. It will be better thing. Okay. But this 3-pass technique will be very, very helpful to get score and not getting stuck to any of the question. And the bonus technique, as I told you, that please keep a formula book. Please keep a formula book and revise it weekly to get acquainted with the questions, acquainted with the formulas which JEE is asking you again and again. And this is the simplest technique to revise. And do you know that what is the fastest technique for the revision? The fastest technique for the revision is to read the syllabus. if you read the syllabus, there are very like there is a unit name. If I told you that the units and measurement, the first unit of physics, then you will be seeing subtopics there: the dimension analysis, errors, significant figures. So these are the topics. So whenever you are reading the topics, your mind must be that which type of questions you have done, which type of patterns the sir has told us. So this must be the process, right? So this is all what I have to share in this video. That's it for today. So which hack did you find most useful? Please do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. Komjanya, Tina, hello Nishi, hi. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling and happy learning. Please like this video and share with your friends. And do let me know where you get stuck. I'll be taking a live session as well on the Telegram. So if you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, or so please join that. The link is in the description. Okay. So we will meet again.